The next is a question regarding green energy or green electricity. So green energy or green electricity means the form of energy, okay, which do not harm the environment. That means if we need to generate that energy, we won't be harming the environment. Without harming the environment, we are producing some kind of energy, and that energy is known as green energy or green electricity. Okay, so how we are generating electricity without harming the nature? By using renewable energies. By using renewable energies like wind energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, right? All these are renewable energies. Okay, so by using renewable energy, we are creating energy, and that is known as green energy or green electricity, right? So the question is like this: with reference to green energy, consider the following statements. Green energy refers to one which does not harm the ecosystem of planet Earth. So that's correct statement. Here, green electricity is power produced from sources that do not harm the environment. So that's the explanation. So first statement is correct, right? Then second, renewable energy sources are used to generate green energy. Of course, that also we discussed. Renewable energy sources are used to produce green electricity. So here the answer is both 1 and 2. Okay, both 1 and 2 is the answer. So just go through the definition. Green energy or green electricity is generated by transforming the natural energy flows of the earth, such as the sun, water, wind and biomass. That means they are renewable sources, right? They are usually known as renewable energy sources because they will never run out, right? So green power production technologies are those that clearly reduce the harmful environmental impacts of energy generation. So that is the term known as green energy. Okay, so these are the main points. Now here the answer is both 1 and 2.